In the bustling streets of Mexico City, taco vendors offer an array of delicious flavors, from spicy carne asada to zesty al pastor. One vendor, Maria, shares how her family's recipes have been passed down through generations, capturing the essence of her hometown. Locals eagerly line up, drawn by the aroma of sizzling ingredients and the cheerful banter of vendors. As we taste a variety of pambazos and tamales, we learn how street food serves as a cultural connection, bringing people together. Through their stories, the vibrant tapestry of Mexican cuisine unfolds, inviting food lovers and travelers to experience the joy of street food.